Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Math.
Stand back. Get off me. Back up, Gray.
Wow! Damn it! God damn it!
Oh my god!
As in True Farms.
Yeah. Oh yeah!
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.
Josie, you're crazy. Oh. It's just a sock.
Don't be scared of it, Oaf. You're seeing your own reflection. Oh my god.
Angel.
Frisbee team. Hey, bro, we were league champions.
Gave up everything. Hospital food and waiting room.
Cat is big
chilling. Garfield, are you good? Are you good, bro? Hi, yeah, I was to understand that breakfast would be happening, and, I don't want to be dramatic or anything, but I haven't eaten in about 20 minutes or so, and I'm worried that I might die.
¿Quieren comer?
Hey, yo, cooter. When I say Hillshire, you say Hillshire.
Hell have you done? Shabu! Shabu! What did you do?
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
This is a new thing Willie is into now. Every morning I set up a play area and he sits and watches cartoons. Oh my god. Willie?
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it! Stop it! No! No!
You like it, baby?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
신비한테 스페타노크. What you got there?